Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need working hardware first. Plug in the mic, then set it as your default in the operating system. This avoids device conflicts. Open Discord, go to Settings, then Voice and Video, and select your input device explicitly. Once selected, turn off the automatic input sensitivity so you can control the threshold yourself. This prevents Discord from chopping quiet speech or letting constant background hum through. Make small test recordings while adjusting so you can hear the effect in real time. Now focus on suppression. Enable Discord's noise suppression or the crisp option if available. Each uses different algorithms, so toggle to compare results and pick the cleaner setting. Next, manually adjust input sensitivity so the meter activates only when you speak. Set it just above the ambient noise floor. If background persists, switch to push-to-talk. Otherwise, tune voice activity with a short tail of about 1 to 1.5 seconds, so clipped syllables don't get cut off mid-word. Finish by minimizing sources. Lower mic gain in the OS or your audio interface to reduce constant hiss. Physical mic placement, move closer and away from keyboards, matters too. Enable Discord's attenuation or a noise gate in third-party tools to cut intermittent noises and run a real call test to confirm clarity. If problems remain, restart Discord, reassign the input device, and retest. This often clears driver hiccups. If you still hear noise, swap cables or try the mic on another computer to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.